Welcome to Nico's Kitchen, where I show you how to make high protein, low calorie meals that make it easy to stick with your diet and lose body fat. I'm a personal trainer that specializes in nutrition coaching, and I've helped tons of people lose weight and keep it off for good. These right here are the recipes that I use for myself and for my clients. Today we're making pasta salads with herb baked chicken. These are amazing because you don't even have to microwave them. You can literally just take them straight out of the refrigerator and they're ready to go. You have no excuse not to stick with your meal prep. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on my newest recipes. People think that you can't have pasta when you're trying to lose weight, but you certainly can. We're just gonna make it a little more macro friendly. Here is all the ingredients. I'll make sure to put a list up of all the portions for one meal. I'm going to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs for the meat, just so it's a little more juicy and tender. I like to use chickpea pasta. This has a little less calories, a little more protein, and it's slower digesting, so you don't get that big carb spike. For my veggies, I'm gonna have cucumber, onion, cherry tomatoes. Feel free to add whatever you want. These are just the ones that I like. My seasonings are basil, garlic, salt, half of a lemon, fresh parsley, and olive oil. Since olive oil is so high in calories, I only use 1 tablespoon split between all 5 meals. And I make sure to use a non-stick cooking spray to cook all my food just to get those calories down just a little bit more. I use fat-free feta. I live in the South, so you can usually get this at Trader Joe's or Publix. I'm gonna prep 5 meals for myself. You can just multiply these portions by the amount of meals that you wanna make. I usually just sprinkle all these seasonings over this. I don't measure it out. I just like to get a nice little coat. Look at that slow-mo sprinkle. You can call me Basil Bay. And we're just gonna drizzle that lemon over that chicken. We're gonna pop that in 350 for about 40 minutes so it gets nice and crispy. Next, we got the chickpea pasta. We're just gonna dump that in there. The thing with chickpea pasta is it's very sticky, so you have to stir it continuously. All right, next is chopping the vegetables. We got our parsley, tomatoes, onions, cucumber. Look how good I am at chopping up these veggies. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dump all of this in a bowl. We're going to add a little more seasoning into it. We're gonna add that fresh parsley. I put a little bit of garlic salt just for flavor, and then we're gonna drizzle a little more lemon and a little bit of that olive oil over it. I'm a huge advocate for multitasking. While the chicken's going, the pasta's going. While the pasta's going, we're chopping up our veggies. And once that chicken is done, this is what it looks like. Now we're just gonna chop it up, and then we're gonna serve it over the pasta and over the veggies. Sprinkle a little feta on there, which I forgot to film, but I assure you I did it. And this is what it looks like, and it tastes amazing. Here is the calorie and the macro breakdown. I hope you enjoyed that. If you're interested in nutrition or fitness coaching, reach out to me at trainernico.com or contact me through my email, contact@trainernico.com, or you can find me on Instagram @trainernico. All my links are in the description below. Every single one of my clients gets a custom meal plan specific to what they like. If you like that, check out this video right here for another recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.